Alright, YouTube fam, welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's see what we got in the building already. Coley, hey bro, what's going on, man? What's going on? We're back for another session. See if you guys can redeem yourselves. See if the YouTube fam's ready to get some more trades in today. Get the account back up and running. And yeah, we'll get started in a second. We'll see what news we got coming on for the day as well. Also, let a few more people join in, get ready for the stream, and then we'll get underway. Personally, won't be activating any new positions for me today. I've already made my trades for the week. Yeah, I had a nice little overnight session on gold today. But I'll break down the charts anyway for you guys. You know, for anyone who was in yesterday's session, the liquidity from every single level got absolutely smashed. So if you guys took that, very good job. And yeah, let's see how today goes. Let me check the news today. So we have we got CB consumer confidence today. It's not until 3 p.m. London time. Magical 5 posting a trade. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. They're dying to get after me. Yeah, I think it's a margin call. Alright, let me let the Zoom guys in. Cool. Alright, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. What time is it? 57, 5 minutes to. Okay, give it a couple more minutes and we'll start breaking everything down today. See what we got going on for the day. Hey man, how's it going?
All good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you man, all good. Who else is joining?
I'm looking at this double top on the gold.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, it looks quite nice. What did Asia do today? Asia had a nice little sell-off in Asia, little 30 pips. Yesterday I booked a total of 85 ticks on gold and silver. Good job, very well done. Hey Mocky, what's going on? Good to have it all. Drew, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. Right, a few more people are joining the Zoom, and then we'll get started in a second. Yeah, we got consumer confidence today. Not until 3 p.m. London time. So it's much later on today, like what, 2 hours or an hour and a half after the New York Open. Yo, that's the amount that's going on. What up? Do check British pound. Yeah, we'll have a look. We'll have a look at everything. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. You guys have got to redeem yourselves today.
Gotta cover the loss.
Yeah, better make back that loss. Yeah.
$500.
Oh, look at that! Gold ended up smashing daily lows. Closed my runner on gold, unfortunately, Paxton. Did you call a banger last night? Yeah, I took like 100 ticks on gold yesterday. More of not a swing trade, but not a scalp trade. More of a little intraday play. I'll show you guys that as well. Just playing it down into the daily lows. It was a very simple trade. And yeah, I took it, watched it for a little bit. Stops were in. I went to bed. I was like, let me do its thing. Then woke up, and yeah, ended up pushing down beautifully. I meant to hold runners, but This morning IntraTrader was lagging, so when I was trying to close partials, it wasn't doing it, so I kept pressing it, and then it ended up adding me back into new positions, and so it got rid of all my runners, which was slightly annoying.
I thought you took it onto your top step account.
Oh no, man, no, you can't hold overnight on Top Step.
Yeah, that's one issue.
But no, if you're just day trading, you don't really need to be honest.
100 ticks must be nice.
Yeah, it's a simple move, man. It gave quite a few opportunities. I gave even way better opportunities than what I got, and then ended up dropping. You didn't even need to hold it overnight, to be honest. It was like 15 minutes after the open, gave a retest and filled the entire range. What time is it? Alright, 4 p.m. Alright, YouTube fam, drop a like for the stream. Let's start breaking everything down. Have we got everyone in Zoom? I think so. Right, we're going to clean up all the liquidity levels now on gold because every single one that was given yesterday has all been hit. Had this double bottom here, double bottom down there, daily lows down there, second daily low, and every single one got hit yesterday. Broke down, came back up for a retest, playing the range. Yeah, over 100 ticks in that move. So every single level got absolutely hit. And like I say, these were all given yesterday in the London session. So let's get rid of all these now. We'll get rid of the trend line that got smashed. Level smashed. This resistance, support absolutely smashed. So daily on golds closed very, very bearish. Asia gave a nice entry because it was an instant top wick down into these daily lows was the overall target on gold where I was hoping to hold my runners into, but like I say, I closed it by accident. But yeah, daily has closed very, very bearish. You know, we had this daily resistance here, price broke below, respected, driving back down into the lower end of the range now. So the next daily support on gold is currently where we're sitting right now. So you want to be, watching to see if this is a level where gold's going to find some support to re-push back high. You know, if gold was going to have a big push up, we had to at least come and grab these daily lows, which is exactly what I was shorting into yesterday. Just shorting into the daily lows, shorting into that double bottom, and got hit very, very well. So now, same thing to the highs. You know, you may not come all the way back up here. It's probably going to take a day or two to get all the way back up to here after this big push. But if you have a look on the weekly, yeah, its big weekly resistance last week was doji. This could just be grabbing last week's previous low to potentially pull back up. But overall, gold has flipped bearish. You got that top wick in Asia with no bottom weight shorting down into previous lows. It's like a 30 tick move right there alone. Now, if we have a look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is back down at this major support as well. So this is a big level on gold. You know, if you're going to see a continuation back down, I think you'll probably see some pullbacks before going lower. So you may come and grab the previous low. If you respect it, you close above. Then you may see a pullback up into here. And then you want to be looking for some continuation back down on gold. You can see for the past, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4 hour candles on gold. You haven't wicked out any previous highs, which before a push back down, you're going to do that. See here, you broke down, retested, came up, wicked out that high, and then you had the nice fulfillment of the range. So yeah, closures below there. Next target on gold is going to be down at the support. Call it like, I think 1905 is probably a nicer level. Yeah, 1905 looks like a nicer level where you could be looking for shorts into on gold. So once you come up, grab these highs, close back below there. That's going to be a nice 80 tick range. So on the hourly on gold, hourly's already come up. You had this nice evening star formation, no top wick, broke the highs and came all the way back down and now reclosed back below and back into this range. So if I bring this down, all of this is going to be a pretty solid area where at any point this could give gold a potential pullback. You've kind of already broken below, retested. There's a very minor double top there as well on Goldie. Little double top. Actually, no, it's already been grabbed, I think. Yeah, already been grabbed. So yeah, you've already come back up, regrab previous alley highs and push them back down. So unless you get closures below, this is probably going to be the range, 17 tick range that you're going to be working with in London. Unless you get some breakouts. If you get closures below here, then you want to be looking for some moves back down. So let's have a look on the 30. This is all the levels from yesterday. I haven't touched these levels. All of these got absolutely grabbed previous 30-minute highs, even from shorting up there down into there. There's 60 ticks, came back up again, retest all these levels and ended up pushing back down into all these double bottoms. So yesterday's moves were very, very nice, very, very nice. I made enough yesterday to take the entire week off if I wanted to. All just playing these very simple liquidity regions. All of these levels, even this huge like quadruple bottom we spoke about on stream. Now, let's just have a look on the 30. So 30 is still pushing lower. The ranges are getting pretty tight down here. So you kind of got, let's see, on the 30 you've kind of got support there. You've got resistance right there. So how many ticks is this range on gold? This is a 10 tick range. So yeah, you probably want a 30-minute breakout of this very small little range. You can see how tight gold's becoming. Probably closure below that support. And yeah, you may drive lower because you've already come back up. You've grabbed previous 30-minute highs, so any closure below here, yeah, you could see it push lower. 30-minute wicked out the highs, still respected resistance, came back up, top wick, rebroke the lows, pushing down. So yeah, gold may just continue to push down from here. Yesterday after that huge push, double top, comes back up, regrabs previous highs, another sell off there again. And then if we have a look at, so that's going to be the 30 levels. Let's have a look at the 15 here on golds. Again, this is all the levels from yesterday. Still got that level up there, which is going to be interesting for this week. But these have been grabbed. This level's been grabbed. Trend line's been grabbed. All these highs have been grabbed. All these lows have been grabbed. This is all of yesterday's levels. This has been grabbed. So 15. Let's just have a look. I can't see any standout liquidity lows at the minute. It looks like they've kind of all been grabbed. This was kind of the major daily low to short into, but it's kind of now being grabbed pretty well. 15 level is going to be like probably there's going to be a resistance. What do you have in here? 22 ticks, yeah, not bad. So yeah, that's going to be the ranges for today. Let's wait till you get a potential breakout. Let's see, 5 minute. Yeah, you got a little intraday low there now to come and grab. Futures chart's already grabbing this low. Currency chart isn't yet grabbing it. So if you can see, you got like lots of liquidity sitting at all these highs as well. None of these 5 minute highs have been grabbed. So I mean, if you can see pullback on gold up into these regions before grabbing these lows, that's going to be your nice short for the day. So if you can come back up, wick out all these highs from these regions down into them lows, it's 10 ticks. Not the best range, but it's all right. So let's see. But if you just grab the lows first, then you probably have to wait for a closure on the 15 or 30. Do you stream daily? What's your schedule? Only for this week are we streaming daily. Other than that, other than that, for the London session, it on YouTube is every Wednesday and Friday, and then in the community it's every single day. So I was looking for gold futures London because I got so fed up with spreads on forex. Yeah, that's the reason I quit forex, man. Spreads, and since we've moved to futures, yeah, I'd never go back to FX. Should have made the change a lot sooner, to be honest. So we're looking for something like this. Potential play.
Don't make fun of me, Rohan.
There's Batman.
Right? You come and live in Wales, okay? you
Also, I want to see your mid movie.
Okay, I'll send you a photo of my back budget.
Don't show me your golf card.
Sorry?
Don't show me your golf card.
You bastard, you beat me to it.
Is that a double top on the currency chart? I don't think it is. What time is that? It's at 3 a.m.
Actually, there's a double top on the forex firm. I don't know about double top.
Yeah, it's already been grabbed, yeah. Grabbed 6 ticks on the flip of that 30 into that bottom. Very nice, man, very nice. Yeah, 30 was clean. Grabbed the highs, still closed below resistance. Top wick retest, shorting it down into the lows, yeah. Great trade, man, lovely. As well as just looking at it as a very nice play. Even 5 minutes short the break of that 5 minute low there. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Good trade, David, man, good trade. Shorting into the lows. Yeah, nice little range play there. Any tips to transition from Forex to futures? I'm using TraderVate right now. Depends what you're trading, to be honest. Like, I mean, for me, technical wise, like when I moved to futures, I'm still applying the same technical analysis on gold. You just got to get used to trading contracts and, you know, adjusting your stop loss, TP, all that sort of thing. Get used to trading orders and manually setting, yeah, like stop loss, take profit, all that sort of thing. That's probably the biggest thing. The hardest thing for me was getting used to taking partials and then knowing how to, you know, readjust stop losses, etc. Do check DXY too. I don't analyze DXY. You can, if you want to look at DXY, just look at Euro USD. DXY is basically Euro USD. I personally don't find any value in the DXY. I don't need to know what the DXY is doing to tell you what the US dollar is doing. Yeah, I think analyzing DXY just wastes time personally. Like I say, I don't think it brings any value. It's not telling you something before something's happened. So why don't you just kind of just makes sense just to analyze, you know, Euro USD for example. Like if somehow you could tell what the DXY was doing before it happened on, you know, Euro USD or gold, then yeah, amazing. But it's DXY is basically the inverse of EU. If you want to look at, like, you know, indexes, look at the unweighted versions. How's it going, Riley? What's going on, man? Welcome back to the chat. I currently have Quantower set up to use it. I use NinjaTrader, but Quantower looks very good as well. But so far I use Ninja and TraderVate. Aussie play gave yesterday also hit. Yeah. Australian dollars futures. It took its time, but it did end up closing above bottom wick and yeah, ended up smashing it as well. Yeah, we talked about this yesterday as well. Close above our level. Once you got the bottom wick, you know what, 10 ticks, highs of like 30. There's nice opportunities from down there. Yeah, so same again yesterday. Analysis played out very, very well yesterday. All liquidity on every single instrument that we were watching got absolutely smashed, especially gold. But yeah, that was a nice play up yesterday as well.
I was very weird yesterday.
Did you take a
One more thing about the double top, it's also there on the futures chart.
Yeah, futures chart can give it a lot though. It's already been grabbed on the winder. I mean, you may see pullbacks, yeah, up into them regions anyway, which actually could be nice.
Let's see.
But yeah, for you guys on YouTube, you got to redeem yourselves today. You got to make back the trade. As soon as we get some breakouts, and as soon as you guys are ready to give a gold signal, we'll take it again. We got the TraderVate account here up and running, ready to go. So let's see. How to know gold contracts we moved over. Well, there's a video on my channel, man, where I talked about futures contract sizing. Because obviously every instrument on futures is going to move different. So you have to work out the contract size of whatever instrument you want to trade is. Because if you trade 10 contracts on gold and then trade 10 contracts on NAS, it's going to be very, very different. I trade about 10 contracts on NAS, but I would never. Sorry, 10 contracts on gold, but I would never take 10 contracts on NAS. I wouldn't get anywhere near 10 contracts. No.
Go on, try it.
Hell no. How did NAS move yesterday? Where is it?
Why go to a theme park when you can do
Pretty
this?
horrible. Look at that. Horrible price action on NAS yesterday. I think everything was quite quiet. Well, there you go. Look at that. There you go. Look at the Russell compared to NAS. Look at that. Nice little downtrend. Huge breakout. I don't know why people trade NAS. Look at that. There's a
I traded Russell yesterday.
Did you? Nice.
Yeah.
As
Because I entered, like last week, I entered like a one contract just to see what the valuation would be and everything. I was like,
Yeah.
not that big. I was like, okay, no worries. But it was due in London. I entered a 3 contract yesterday and I was like, oh, fucking hell. Listen,
so Russell's more active during US.
I don't know, I fucking might have. I was,
Hey.
Jesus Christ. I was like, oh, okay. Please go down.
Were you getting these? Did you get these little shorts?
Hold on, let me screen video.
It's a pretty nice little breakout
Where
there.
are you?
Getting
Where are you?
squeezed. Yeah, look at that. Hello, gang. Angel, what's going on, man?
Well, it's roughly around.
That was a lovely buying opportunity yesterday.
Yeah.
Buying into that trend line. Look at that. Everyone shorts the trend line. You buy into the trend line. Look at that. You got taken out up there. What a catch.
Russell is Russian market, right?
No, Russell is just top 2,000. What was it? Top 2,000 stocks or something, or tech companies, something like that. Yeah, is it small cap US stock market? Yeah, top 2,000 small cap stocks.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
So yeah, moved way cleaner than NAS yesterday. The lows have just been grabbed on gold. How was the Ross Dow? Yeah, even the Dow was quite nice yesterday. Well, where's the open actually? Quite choppy at the open. Very choppy at the open. So the open's there. Pushed up, pushed down. It took quite a while to get the bounce, whereas yeah, Russell had the bounce at the open. So that was very nice.
The better noise of 1931.
Yeah, you may see a breakout on Goldie. Difference between futures chart and gold spot chart. Just the currency chart here on gold will grab 5-minute highs, slightly more than the futures chart. Futures chart could leave a double bottom, but the currency chart can wick it out a little bit more. If the
Actually, like the 1 minute on gold on futures.
No topic on 50.
Yeah.
It's funny.
This 5 flips.
So it closes below support. You can still see a top wick push lower. Top wick velocity. Yeah, I think so. Well, if you get a nice 30 closure below, you probably want to see a next top wick grab some of these previous 15-minute highs, and then once you get that, yeah, amazing. You could be looking for that push down. Let me just make sure I got Tradeovate up here. Let's have a look. Remember, for you guys on YouTube, you guys are going to be calling the trades today. We'll do the poll soon. Whenever you guys are ready, we'll do the polls. We'll go for the 1-to-1 risk to reward again. See if you guys can get the trades. Let me make sure we're all set up here. Let me just make sure it comes on the screen. Let me load it up. Let me fire it up. Let me just make sure the orders come up. So I put in a buy order. Does it come up on the screen? Yeah, there you go. Cool. Nice.
Oh.
Not close watching.
push, David. Did you get you get any runners in that position, David? You got some runners in that position. Nice play, man. Oh, there you go. Look at that push.
Candle close.
Strong close.
You cut that candle close. No wicks on the other side.
Alright, let's do the poll. Let's see if YouTube's ready. Let's start the signals.
What do you do? I will wait.
Margin, full margin short.
Full margin. I was on the phone, so I didn't want to go too crazy. Yeah, fair enough, man. Yeah, good shout, good shout. It's a nice play there, man. Very nice catch. But yeah, runners would have been good. Yeah, runners would have been very nice, man. Like even from here, you know, that's the top wick on 30. 5 minute right before the close. That's the big wick. And then yeah.
Can we match the positions from our phone?
I mean, you can. Yeah, you can get. There's a Tradeovate app or Ninja Trader, whichever one you used. Yeah. Let's have a look at the British pound.
I tried searching Ninja Trader on the App Store, but there was only one app. Less reviews.
Oh, look at that sell off on the pound. Look at that. Is day trading like poker? Yeah, to an extent, yeah. Psychological wise, yeah. What? Sorry?
You're not very good at poker.
Oh, hey. I haven't played in a while, actually. I need to. We need to play again. We need a poker night. I fucking love poker.
Yeah, I like poker.
Yeah, poker's great, man.
I wonder if we start mentioning it in the community, see if anyone, because there's loads of different.
Yeah. People, right? Absolutely. If anyone's keen for a poker session, yeah, definitely, we'll do it.
I'm definitely on. I play every Wednesday night. I'm in a tournament right now.
Oh shit, really?
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, you can't play. You're too good.
Yeah, I'm not calling your bluff now. You're just giving it all away. Rookie mistake.
Eliminated.
Lot of my second guard already.
That's pretty cool.
I mean, you can host the game.
Yeah, I'm the dealer.
Do you just play with mates, or is it like an actual like little competition you're playing?
It's actually like a comp. There's like
Nice.
like 25 or something of us,
Hmm.
and yeah, we all play every Wednesday night, and then the final week is like
Check
we
that
play
out.
$1,500 winnings, which is pretty cool.
Yes, sweet man. Yeah, that's decent.
Yeah.
How do you know when to let the trade run? When you get breakouts, really. If you get breakouts, then you got to let the trade run. You know, if there's good momentum, just keep following the momentum. Close your position and take partials when the markets tell you it's time to get out. The fucking fly, man. Top step 5k, only 40 GP. 50k, yeah. Top step is, like I say, one of the best and one of the cheapest out there right now, and one of the rarest prop firms that's been going for like what, over 10 years. Created by real traders, and it's £40, which is it's fucking crazy. Look at this push on Goldie. Oh, the YouTube chat is almost ready to give the signals. Alright, maybe we'll do it after this next 5 minute close if you guys are ready. I don't know how we do this. Do you guys want to wait for the 15 close, or you want to take a trade on the 5 minute close? How we kicking off this session today? We're going in 5 contracts again, 1-to-1 risk to reward. This is a big 15 closure here. What time did this push start? 6 AM again. Look at that. Huge push. Huge push.
I'm gonna get off the 7:20 candle. the one when it pushed on first, then jumped back up.
Yeah.
No entry.
Yeah, I mean, only entry so far is up at this 30 res. That's it. That's at what 6 a.m. Depending on trades at 6 a.m.
I might actually start next week. I did say I was going to do it this week.
Yeah, it's worth it, man. It's worth it.
Honestly, it's been really, 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 really difficult to get up anyway. But now that the mornings are super dark and damp, like I do feel like I'm Batman.
I seen I think Roger Banks gets on it about like 5 a.m. London time, I think. I mean, he's
in India, isn't he?
He's in Dubai, which is like 2 hours ahead or something. Yeah, it seems like you get good moves before sometimes 7 a.m. You can get some nice shape ups. Yeah, if you get a big move pre-London, then you can expect London, and may not give a whole heap. Like this is a what? A 30 tick push. Started again at what? 6:15. Was there a push yesterday? Similar time? I think there probably was. When did this start? Nah, it started even earlier. 4, 5. Yeah, 10 past 6. Push. But then ended up having a big push again at 7:30. So yeah. It's going down with the winners thing you might go up for. Yeah, well, we'll wait for the 15 close. And then if you guys want to start sending in I'll put in the polls. You guys can call the YouTube trades again. So we're doing for the whole week.
You know what's really annoying with this trigger? You know, I change colours of the levels and like candles and stuff.
Yeah.
Click, apply, and save. I go and do another level, and it's the same fucking colour than what it was before.
Oh really? Mine doesn't do that. Have you got where is it? You can save it if you saved it as a template.
I have not done that.
Maybe that'll do it, because I have all my colours saved. It usually keeps it.
Really?
Yeah.
So, you click on the candlestick, or do you click on the candles? The candlestick button, sorry, next to the time period button.
You click on the candlestick, and then you can, or in the chart settings, and then if you click on GC, then you can kind of change them all. And then you can save it.
GC.
Oh, green ball. Yo.
Yeah, man.
Set up a little table. I'm Def's coming, eh? Where do I write? Do I put that in the chat?
Is that for the retreat, man?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll post more about it soon, man. I hope to have some more info about it this week.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. It's good for us. You guys in Oz are saying like what, a couple of hours flight?
Yeah.
Which
it's
is
like
pretty decent.
Bali, I think yeah, 3 to 4.
Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, it's decent. So 5 minutes creating a top wick here. If you grab previous 5 minute highs, you could potentially look for a flip out of that. Where are you tapping into now? Let's have a look here. Gold on the hourly. Yeah, so it's very messy. Anywhere in this level gets pretty messy, but you're at pretty big support right now. Like I said, I doubt it's going to be a one tap and drive, but it's a big level. A big level.
It's not the level on currency, but not the futures.
So years and this level 130, yeah. How's it going? Boston, what's going on, man? 15 is about to close. 15 just closed bearish. Alright, YouTube fam, let's see if you're ready. See if you are ready. Oh, let me end this one. 67% said yes. Look at that. There you go. Next 15 can close bearish or bullish. Let's see. On the 15 chart, yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Kind of got it like this. Yeah, it looks quite nice, man. Probably getting squeezed a little bit. The thing is, these third drives into lows used to work out really well, but now you kind of get fake outs a lot more. So, yeah, this could be a possible fake out. Ooh. 100% of people said the next 15 is going to be bullish. Oh, no, 50-50. 50-50. Four votes. Get the votes in, YouTube fam. We can't take a trade until the votes are even. 60% the next 15 is going to close bearish. Alright, well, I'll give it a few more minutes. And if you guys want to take that trade,
My vote.
that's the trade we'll take.
I'll put in my vote.
Do it, man. Do it. Get it in there.
Can we choose the contract size?
It's fixed. Fixed, not 5. not 100.
Not interested.
Didn't learn from yesterday. Well, let's see. Let's see. Once we get this 5-minute closure, that'll be the decider of whether we take the trade or not. Both bear and bull, not much volume, so everyone's taking a piss. Well, if it stays 50-50 at this 5-minute closure, then we'll wait. Ooh, 55% said bullish. Ooh. Wait, actually, let's ask. Because you guys might not even want to take a trade off this 15. Maybe you need a little bit more. Wait for more price action. Do you need TradingView Pro to see gold future chart? No, you should be able to see it. You just need to pay for the data, otherwise it will be delayed. Well, I said to YouTube, do we wait for more price action? And you guys are saying, no, let's trade. Well, this is your one trade of the day, guys, so if you want it, you can have it. How only got 1 more minute to this next 5 is going to close. Maybe you can take off the 5. Strong confirmations only. Yeah, for me, if it was me, I would be waiting. So we got 8 votes, 50-50. Alright, we'll end it there. Wait for a little bit more price action. For me personally, I think you're going to see gold spike up a little bit more into previous 5-minute highs. And then you may see a dip back down into 30-minute lows, because 30's closed bearish here. I don't want to give too much away, but 30 minutes closed bearish. If you're going to see a drive higher, it's going to come at least grab the lows.
Cool sugar.
1% more on the way.
I was hoping yesterday in the US to catch a sell position on gold to keep on running down.
Yeah.
With the daily, the daily was looking really nice.
Yeah. It was solid.
Yeah, to continue down.
Yeah.
But, then I think it's still can continue. I can't see the weekly on frame rate.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I got the sales off the daily. The week, yeah, well, last week on gold for the past 2 weeks, it's been very, very doji. Last week closed with like almost zero volume. Closed in the exact same places where you opened, which is pretty crazy.
Shipped at the same time.
And then this week's kind of having that strong push down very early on.
Yeah.
Yeah, the daily resistance was a very, very nice.
Just knocked me out for 3 pips yesterday, little bastard.
Motherfucker. Oh yeah, I saw your play.
I'm taking it as a win because I'm trying to be more patient and leave them go.
Yeah, well, I took the one I took yesterday was more of a not a swing trade, but it definitely wasn't a scalp. It was more of a longer time play down into day lows. So yeah, the daily to short down into the lows yesterday was so clean, and there was so many double bottoms to be grabbed.
What time was that?
So if you see, and this is why I'm annoyed because I didn't get to hold my runners. Yeah, that daily resistance and the fact that there was no real bottom wick on Friday, shorted into them lows it was so clean. It was very, very clean.
Where did you went there? 1944, if I were there.
Where I got short from?
Yeah.
So let me go currency, futures. Where was I short from? What time frame on here? Let me go 5. So I was getting short from around like 1944.
Yeah, I thought,
yeah.
I was going off that one possibly. Did you go off that one?
Oh, go on, go again.
I'd be done. Did you go off like this country?
No, I should have. I was getting it from here. Stops are above here.
Oh, okay.
And this wasn't stops are above there, and just shorting it down into this daily bottom, and then into the daily lows, and it went into like 13, 14 ticks of drawdown. Stops were pretty safe, and then kept pushing. Audi was nice as well. Kind of gave a little retail trap, this big wick, but still never closed above resistance here. So people try jumping longs off that support looking for the play up. But once you see that big wick rejection whilst also respecting resistance, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, that wick rejection, I didn't respect it.
Yeah.
Because you haven't done it for a while, I would have loved to see your emotions here during the drawdown.
Yeah, well, my stop loss was based off if we were going to close above there. If we closed above there, I would have cut it straight away.
Yeah.
But it's actually nice to not be watching every 5-minute close. It was like made me realize how much I fucking used to love swing trading. It's like I took this and I didn't even watch it. I had an alert like above here. If it closed above this level, I would open up my charts and just close it. But when I went to bed, I was in short. My stop was safe, and woke up and it was like fucking $4,000. Whilst I was fucking sleeping.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's like it makes me realize why I used to love fucking swing trading so much.
Absolutely.
And it was probably a nice entry here actually. Broke down, came back up, respected the level again. I was probably in
Basically, you were sleeping
Way
and your
better.
Bali trip was paid.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
just
You were dreaming of Rolexes there, boy.
ticker
You could
for
upgrade your Insta bio to make money while sleeping.
the ticker for Russell, man, is RTY. I'd watch the Russell, man. Personally, for me, it moves very, very well. Much nicer than Nasdaq, personally. But yeah, that's what it was. It was just daily resistance. If it closed above daily resistance, you cut the trade. But as long as it holds it, you just press short and see what happens. Seems to be consolidate right now. I feel like we're about to have a quick short soonish. Yeah. Well, if you grab the 5-minute highs, that's the kind of short you want to be on. So it didn't grab the highs, still pushing down. It's about leaving it. It's about double top. Let's have a look, man. Let me see. So is that 15? Yeah, I think so, man. Let me just see if it didn't get grabbed on the. If it didn't get grabbed on the currency, yeah, it could be nice, man. It could be nice. It's a very tight double top. It's almost like a little tweezer top right there. But it did also. It did also grab these highs here, so it's kind of like a liquidity grab as well. I think it's nicer to look at a double top when it kind of has more structure to it. So like if you have a high like this, then it kind of pushes down more and then comes back to it, it's kind of nicer. But when it's like, you know, right next to it, like that, that's almost basically just like a little tweeted top. Like this is more of a nice one here. If that was a double top, because it reacted off it, came back down, reacted off it again. So then you know it's a nice liquidity point. Because if you look at this on what, the 30, it's probably just yeah, it's just a wick on the 30. If this was a double top here, then that would be nice. But because it's so close, yeah, I'd be a little bit wary. It's not one that I'd be looking to kind of trade into. Do you want the future chart? Is that for the Russell, Angel? If it's for the Russell, yeah. You look at the futures chart for that, man. I don't know if there'll be. I'm sure there'll be one for the currency, but I'm not sure what it will be. Shorts down into that little low would be nice if you just spiked out that previous 5. You could have looked for a little scalp there, but didn't really grab it. So you'll probably still see that grabbed. Can't find a good currency one. Yeah, I haven't actually used one before, so I'm not really too sure. I saw Mark had an absolute incredible short on Nasdaq. I think London session. Mark got a pretty crazy short. Yeah, Mark got this move. Absolutely ridiculous short. So I think Mark had some shorts from up here and took this entire move, which was just absolutely insane. 400 ticks. It's a fucking ridiculous catch. Probably trade of the year. Trade of the year for Marcus. Nice head and shoulders as well. And what time is that? That started at... Yeah, so that was a London move as well. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Insane.
Nice to have a music in the background of the videos. Very tranquil.
Thank you. Have a look at the pound. Yeah, let's have a look, man. It's pushing off pretty hard right now, from what I saw. Yeah, it's pushing off a bit too hard. Kind of hard to really say now. So we had probably the main push of the day. But yeah, you got potential reversals from down in this third drive into the lows of this trend line here. but you'll probably see it fake out a little bit more. But if you get closures above, yeah, you could be looking for like longs up into here. You do have a double top sitting all the way back above here as well, but I'd be very surprised to see that come in today. But yeah, I'd look to see if you get a fake out of this little trend line. If you get break back above, then trade the way we kind of trade the trend line fake outs is a possible one there. But it's, yeah, like I say, it's kind of had a pretty steep push already, so it's kind of hard to say. What it started again at, yeah, like 6:30 there. Already had a pretty nice push back down. So you may bounce from here, and you may see some pullbacks. You can only really look for pullbacks because it's already had the short moves. You don't really want to be jumping in shorts. So you can probably mark on like previous 30 high. Oh, it's not a very straight line. Yeah, may bounce back up a little bit more, retest this, and yeah, kind of may see it drop a little bit lower.
I'm going to go off topic, but I genuinely want to ask this question. Do you know the Russell? Do you know it's dropping lower and lower and lower?
Yeah.
On my chart, on TraderBait, on the far left, if I go hourly, daily, I cannot read the chart whatsoever. It's just like join the dots.
Oh yeah, it's because it'll be, you have to roll back the contracts, because you'll be looking at December contracts. So if you scroll far back, you wouldn't have been trading December contracts back then. So if I look at RTYZ, I'll only be able to go back like a month's worth of data. So you'd have to look back at like September contracts.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can roll it back as well. Yeah, you'll go back so far, and yeah, it'll be just like that. That's because the contracts weren't being traded then. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Goldie's still pushing. Alright, let's see if you guys on YouTube are ready for a trade yet. Breaking previous 30-minute lows there. Oh, look at that push.
Ooh, look at
There you go. Got breakout, re-break the lows. 10 ticks. 20. YouTube fam, get your votes in. See if you guys want to take a trade yet. 67% said let's wait. 33% want to take a trade, but you guys have to get majority. Oh, look at that push.
3 times I went in short
There you
today.
I wanted to short here on the break of this candle.
Got short
Like
at
since
19.
we already had grabbed the highs here, and the next one closed bearish. So on the break of that, I was thinking of taking it, but I would be out at B if I taken it, since the next one didn't close bearish.
Yeah. 4 ticks. Damn, David, you had a nice play there, man. You had a nice play. Yeah, well, he did it. He kind of broke that support, retested that quick support. So yeah, it's kind of a nice little play there. Like if you had shorts from there, it would have been nice to hold.
This one closed doji, so I would be out at B, I guess. Might not be holding it.
Yeah, that one I probably would say wait till you get, because that's just a nice break and retest. You kind of close below the support and retest, so I think you'd want to be holding from there. If it closed back above, then you'd want to cut it, but that's a nice little break, retest, push lower. I think you'd want to be looking to hold from there. If it closed back above, then it's obviously a fake out. But as long as it holds below that little support, yeah, it's kind of a nice little scalp back down there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
10 ticks, yeah. If it closed above, yeah, cut it.
Yeah.
Longs now? Question mark. Is that the signal? Is that the signal of the day? I don't know why you'd want to jump in longs. Price is very, very bearish. Don't try to catch a falling knife.
Yeah.
Had the same pattern, that's why I took it. Yeah, good job, Dave, man. Yeah, it was a nice little play. You just got stopped a little bit too early, but yeah, you got. Sorry, what did you have from 19? Yeah, 30.8. You'd be just hitting like 15 just like that. Ticks just like that. But yeah, I'm gonna start sending in some more, you know, not swing, but more high time frame analysis on gold as well for you guys. My signal set is a sell. Mark, we were just talking about you, man. We were talking about your absolute beauty of a sell on Nasdaq yesterday. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, come on, yeah, I'll send some in for sure. Because recently, 5 minutes been messy on gold, but the 15 and 30 and the hourly have actually been so much cleaner. Crazy one, yeah, insane one, insane. Absolutely insane, yeah. Where did you get shorts from, if you remember, Mark? Where was your entry? I think it was like where is it? Oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong chart. Let me go 5. I think it was something like right here. Yeah, good man. Yeah, we'll do more of them for sure. Yeah, I think you got short from like up here, didn't you, Mark? If you're still here, I think you got short from up here. I can't remember the exact figure, but I think it was it was somewhere around there, and rode that entire move back down. So trade of the year for Mark right there. Absolutely insane catch. One sec, yeah, go on, Mark. Give us that fire. Demo, yeah, demo early, man. No financial advisors here. Back to banks here, retracement. Yeah, I'll have a look, man. We'll take a look. Let's see where Mark has got this short from. You got short from 14923, 14923.25. Yeah, they're absolutely ridiculous trade, man. Mark got short in Discord yesterday from here. Absolutely ridiculous short, man. 293 ticks. Yeah, fucking insane, man. You could trade every 5 minute low. It never came back. Look at that. That's absolutely ridiculous. You got taken out there. That's trade of the year, though, Mark. Man, fucking print that one out, man. It's absolutely insane catch. Insane catch. You're gonna get the London Open in 7 minutes here as well. Let's have a look. Pound. Audi has no top wick. Let me see. Yeah, it's got no. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, very true. So no top wick. I think pound closes with no top and bottom wicks quite a lot though, from what I can see. You got it there, there again, there again. So yeah, it could easily close with that no top wick and just keep kind of pushing. So you kind of got not one there either. So yeah, it does. It looks like it closed like that quite a lot. Is it possible to look at just the gold spot chart and just enter? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you don't need to watch the futures chart. Yeah, it's exactly the same, man. Pretty much exactly the same.
The gold price action that we are using right now, did you learn that somewhere, or was it a method of your trial and error?
Yeah, just chart time, honest man. Just chart time. Chart time and
Yeah.
failure. I probably lost most of my money trying to trade gold, to be honest. But gold. I think gold was probably the one like we used to trade the best. Like we used to get the biggest positions trading gold.
Yeah.
And we used to trade the currencies.
I enjoy gold.
Yeah, I
don't
love
know
gold,
why
man.
I have left it, to be honest. A bit silly, to be honest.
Just loves the levels, and you've always loved levels as well.
Yeah, I just find it easy, but
It is.
I don't do retests anymore. And wait for that time.
Yeah.
And then get off the break.
It's clean.
I actually tried that out, the retests. A demo, and I lost.
Yeah.
The trades. So I was like, okay, I won't do retests anymore. Fuck off.
Yeah, if you do retest, you're just gonna have to manage it based off closures. And sometimes you can sit waiting for a closure for like 15 to half an hour. So it's quite difficult. Thanks for asking my questions. Yeah, no worries, man. 13 ticks on cells. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yes.
All right. Let's see. See if YouTube's ready to take a trade. Let's see. To take a. Let's say give a direction. Yes. No. All right. Let's see. Let's see. See if YouTube's ready to give that signal for the day. I mean, you guys don't have to take a trade today. If YouTube doesn't want to take a trade today, it keeps being 50-50. Not every day is a trading day.
This is.
If they get full losses in a row, their account's blown.
Yep, gone. Gone. Ooh. What are the votes saying? We got one vote in. 15-minute chart just saying head and shoulders. Where is it? Would have been a nice one there if you had that left shoulder, head and right shoulder. Yeah, pound still heavily bearish. So wait 3 minutes till the hourly close here on gold. It's about to close very, very bearish. Broke out of the range and just no real top wick, just kind of still pushing pretty hard. Never got a retest at this level. Broke, boom, boom. Any recommendation on what instruments to trade in London? I would just trade gold, personally. That's all I trade in London. If you're trading futures, like trade gold or trade pound futures. Sometimes NAS will move good in London, but sometimes it may not do anything. So for me, gold probably moves the best. You know, like today it's moved, what, 45 ticks? You catch a move like that, that's pretty much you done for the week. Or you could look at, yeah, you could look at the pound futures, euro futures. But stick with one and just master that one. You don't need to be watching more than like 2 instruments really. If you're just watching, yeah, just gold. Ooh, ready to give direction. 60% said no. Good job. That's what we like to see. You have to take a trade. If YouTube doesn't want to take a trade, you won't take a trade. John wants to go long, but not badly enough. Yeah, it's too bearish right now. You start jumping longs, you're just gonna get squeezed out. You can jump in longs now, like there's nowhere for you to put your stop loss, unless you're gonna swing it all the way down there, which is gonna be pretty crazy. Only entry for this short was at like 6 AM. Other than that, it's just opened and yeah, kept pushing, which is kind of what gold's been doing a lot recently. 30-minute closed with no bottom wick, so you may start to find some support here. Owly just closed very bearish. Owly also closed no bottom wick. So YouTube is not ready to give a direction. That's alright. That's fine. We can wait. We can wait.
Now that we look at the charts, the hourly flips look so nice.
Yeah, Owly was clean. Clean. If you shorted the break of the Owly lows, yeah. 30 ticks. No top wick in this current Owly yet, so this could flip bullish at any point now. Yeah, look at that 15. No top and bottom wick. That shit happened yesterday as well. That's absolutely insane. It's so rare. Before hasn't grabbed any tops for a while. Yeah, I think it can retrace, man. Same as the daily. So let's have a look here. Let's have a look. 4 hour. Let's just look at some price action for a second. Let's get rid of all this crap. Yeah, very true. Yeah, you could you could easily see 4 hour retrace all of this. You know, anywhere in these regions here. You know, at like 1926 up into like 1928 is all going to be a level where you could easily find some huge support and just retrace this entire move, or at least, you know, pull back up into, yeah, like 1936. Which is, yeah. So that's. If you were looking for any retracements, I wouldn't jump in and trace it too much yet, but yeah, you could easily see this previous 4 hour high get grabbed at some point before a potential pushback down. Look at that 4 hour resistance yesterday, that was beautiful. So you had that push down, you completely retrace, and then you have that big continuation. So you'll probably see something like that at some point. The only way you could trade that continuation is you got to wait for it to find some support, which, you know, could find it pretty soon, and then wait for the kind of, you know, intraday bullish pushes on the 5 minute. But yeah, at any point, it'll be interesting to see how this 4 hour closes. But at any point, yeah, you could easily find all of this is a huge level. So you probably spike down a little bit more, and that's going to be a nice level to look for some pullbacks. You know, you have stops down there. There's been more of a swinger move, but I'd watch it on like intraday. But yeah, 19. What's this? Well, like 1928 to like 1926 is going to be a pretty big level. A pretty big level on Goldie. If you start to reject from here, then you'll probably see later on wick it out one more time. And you can see that move. Something like this. You find that initial support, you wick out the support, and then you can be looking for a pullback.
You could get a decent play of the initial support, 20 ticks.
Yeah, 20 ticks. Yeah, it could be nice. Yeah, it could be a nice bounce, man. Because there's no bottom wick, so this is now that 30-minute hourly now creating that top wick. So what, you're already getting to that top wick. 10. In TraderBait, is there any button to measure the ticks? I don't think so. No, I just do it here on TradingView with the measuring tool. I don't think there's a way to do it. Let me see. Let's have a look. No, I don't think so. What's this?
I still can't figure out how to save the bloody thing.
Snap. Nah, I don't think there is.
Try on Ninja though.
There is a way on Ninja?
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, nice. Alright, let's see. Let's ask again. Pretty big wick there on gold. Pretty solid wick. And this is the first 5 minutes of the London Open as well. So all this push down is all a pre-London move. Ooh. 67 people are ready to give a direction. Ooh. Well, we'll do it for the next 5 minutes if this poll. If everyone's ready. So you're wicking out that little double top there on gold. Big wick down, little bottom wick, re-breaking the highs. It's already 6 ticks. Alright, 75% are ready to give a direction on Goldie. This could be the play. Play could be coming in.
Divided by would be risky, but yeah.
Alright. The poll is in. 75% of people are ready to give a signal. Alright, well, let's see. Next 5 minutes, bullish or bearish. Oh, look at that push. Big wick there. Break it that high. Give a nice little scalp there. People think next 5 minutes is going to go bullish. One person. You got
10 ticks all.
1 minute. Yeah, that's it, man. It shows how quick it is to make 10 ticks. %100% of people are saying next 5 minutes is going to be bullish on Goldie. So that means we'll be looking for this long. 10 and 10 again. Give you guys the 1-to-1. 3 votes, do more than that. Get your votes in, people. If it goes 50-50, then we'll do nothing. But if you guys stay 100% on bullish, then we'll take the long on the next 5 minute, on the open of the next 5 minute candle in 20 seconds. It's looking like you guys are going to want the long. 5 contracts, 1-to-1 to be break even. Let's see. 6 votes, 100%. Next 5 minutes can be bullish. Look at that. All right, well, let's do it. Let's do it. There's a signal of the day. There you go. There's the buy on gold.
The market execute based on the signals.
Yeah, 100% win rate. Well, actually, no, not 100% win rate so far. So, let's see.
Alright, double is in the chat.
Oh. Let's see if it hits TP. Let's see. I think it'll be bearish. I wouldn't take a trade off it though. Oh man, you should have put it in. Should have put it in, man. Should have put the vote in.
Ruble had a big drop.
Who did, sorry?
Is it Ruble? Ruble?
The ruble?
Which one is it? Ruble or Ruble?
I don't know. The ruble, maybe? Oh.
It's been months so you've taken a piss out of me for saying, what do I say differently?
Physiology.
Yeah, physiology, yeah. Fuck, yeah. What one of them?
YouTube guys, 3 minutes test flags gonna close. And I'll put in the poll whether we hold or close 100 contracts. Hold nicely. You're gonna get this. Is gonna be the last 5 of this 15 as well. So you guys can decide after this 5 close if you wanna hold or close this trade. Got my 10 ticks 5 contracts. Got 2 still in. Got to handle that wasn't paying attention. I jumped to 5 foot. Yeah, good man. Well, it's nice. Yeah, anywhere in this region, the break it out high. Oh, YouTube fam. What are you guys doing to me? In 2 minutes, I'll let you guys decide if you want to hold or close. It's a pretty big 15 resistance there.
Yeah, part of a level.
Big 30 support there as well. Oh no. YouTube fam, what have you done to me? Do you give the option to hold or close? You guys need to start tuning into the live streams more. We're supposed to be smashing this challenge. I mean, we still turn. We may get lucky. Where does the stop loss need to be? Below.
It's not a pussy.
Below previous here, below there. Oh, is this gonna flip into a banger? Yeah, I think they've got the pies. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, look at that. YouTube fam. What happened? Oh. I think you got in at the... You guys got in peak long. Oh, 45 seconds here. Is it going to flip at the last couple of seconds? Who knows? I think it's going to grab the 5 minute lows a little bit more. This is why we're only doing this challenge for a week. Alright, you guys can decide if you want to hold or close this trade. The poll is in. If it doesn't, as long as it doesn't get stopped out, you guys can hold or close. I reckon next A15 will be bullish. Yeah, I think so as well. I think you may get a bottom wick and may push. Hold. David said hold. What's YouTube gonna say? 100% said hold. Ooh, 50-50.
Remove the stop loss.
Like saying
I'll
David,
get a
he's
margin
buying
call.
long.
80% said hold. 67% said hold.
Yeah, remove the SL.
Ooh. 71% said hold. Well, there you go. We're going to hold. I think you're going to come and grab some 5-minute lows personally.
Yeah.
Just
I
pull
would
back,
open
eyes
it up.
closed. You may survive if you can survive it. I would like to see a bottom wick now. I may even look for a trade here. We have to stick with the 1-to-1 risk to reward. If I open the stop loss, you guys won't let me hit max stop loss.
Even if we would be taking this trade, we would have taken the break of the high, which wouldn't have tagged us in yet.
Yeah, no, yeah, I would yeah, there, personally. YouTube guys said hold. Alright. I reckon I'm just gonna come and grab some lows.
Yeah, definitely. If it wants to go low.
It's a shame the know-it-alls never showed up. This is just for fun anyway. Just for pants. YouTube trades on me. Day 2. Oh, YouTube guys are holding strong. How you got to 5 close, 3 more minutes. And then if it, depending on how it goes, I'll ask you guys if you want to hold or close again. And like I say, if you guys on YouTube call this direction well enough, like I said, if you guys manage to pass you manage to pass, then I will give away the account to one of you guys. Now up, there you go, Paul. All the W's. Right, next, how long you got? 2.5 more minutes. W's in the chat. Right, this is for the next 5-minute close. We'll wait till it closes and then I'll judge it based off that. If you guys want to close at break even or you guys want to hold, now's the opportunity to decide. I know what I would be doing personally.
Hold.
Hodl.
Hold.
For me, I'd be out right there. I would be out right there personally. Let's see what you guys want to do on YouTube. If you want to hold this trade, let it rock to full TP.
Come on, give them an option of break even.
Yeah, as soon as this closes, you guys have the option to go break even in a second as well. We're up, what, almost $100 on this position. 67% saying hold. Let's see, 1 minute. Yeah, let's do hold, break even, close. There you go. All right. 1 more minute till 5's gonna close. 15's just about to grab previous 15-minute highs here as well. Just grabbed. So you just grabbed. Actually, you got a little double top there. Actually, is that a little double top? Yeah, I think you got a little double top there. How do we got 1 minute? Right, let me go to it. Oh shit, sorry man, yeah it was. Alright. 62% said hold, 25% said break even, 12% said close, so we got hold. You guys may hit full TP here. Oh, look at that. You guys are up $300. Well, now you guys need to decide if you want to go break even or close or let it hit full TP.
Oh shit. What is that?
Just wicked out previous 15-minute highs there.
Sunshine.
Wait, it's flipping, I think.
This is for the next 5 minutes. You guys can decide again. Moon, yeah. Well, it's just wicked out previous 15-minute highs here, so I'll be wary of that personally. Well, if you guys want to go break even, let me know. You can go break even if you want to.
How do you tell people what to do and how
Yeah. I'm not influencing this. This is all on you guys. If you want to hold, let this rock to full TP, or you want to close. 50% saying hold. All right, we're gonna have to. Well, I'll judge it off the next 5 minutes. You guys have 3 minutes to decide. The last 5 was to hold, so we got to hold out this 5, and this will be for the next 5.
Oh, 70%.
Yeah, 67% saying hold. Guys, get the votes in. More people get some votes in than that. YouTube's trading for me the entire week. But what's going on here? We're letting YouTube trade for me this week. The entire week, you guys on YouTube are trading for me. He was like, "You want to go break even?" Yeah, I didn't mean to. See, I didn't even know I was saying that. This is great, yeah. That's what we're doing for the whole week. And like I say, if you guys pass this challenge, I'll give it to one of you guys. So work together and get this trade hitting TP. You know, I won't put in a physical stop. If it keeps running, we'll trail like I do. But you guys got two minutes here to decide if you want to hold or close this trade. You can change your votes. It'll be based off this next 5-minute close in 2 minutes.
Nothing's gonna happen now. I'm having the coffee.
Want a coffee?
Yeah, I'll take one, man. I'll have one. Thank you, man.
Black.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Break even. 25% saying break even. You guys have got 2 minutes to decide here. Dirty chai. We can close at break even. We can hold. Closing the little bit of loss if it goes into a loss. 5 minutes not looking too great here. Ooh, the votes are changing. Look at this. This is the market ruining the psychology of traders. Close. David saying close. Ooh, 50% is still saying hold. 20% break even. 27% saying 27% break even. 20% saying close.
Can you add 5 more contracts, please?
I'm all maxed out. I'm full margined out, man. One more minute. So it'll be based off the close. So if you guys want to go break even, or if you want to let it hit TP, and if it hits TP, then you can hold. Yeah, I think. Well, because it's 30 minutes, actually, you guys got a pretty good trade here. I think you may come and spike out previous 30 highs, but you're still probably going to get a next bottom wick, which is where I will actually look to take my play. Oh, look at this. YouTube fam up $300. Look at that. Hold. Only got 45 seconds here. 45 seconds, I think the vote's going to be into hold. You haven't grabbed any 5-minute lows for a while though, but you may hit TP first, but there's something to be wary of. The nice thing is your TP is right at this level, which is good. But you haven't grabbed any 5-minute lows yet. But I'm not. You guys are taking these plays for me. You guys are passing this challenge for me. 17, 15 seconds. Yeah, we're still in. We're making bank here, man. YouTube fam, we're making bank.
Let me tell them you are
been out.
Yeah, I would have been out, yeah.
You would have been out the break.
I would have closed, yeah. All right, 56% said hold, so we got a hold.
Let's go.
You guys didn't even want to go break
I like
even.
this. I'm kind of like, yeah. I do. Come on, you too.
Well, like I say, you guys on Zoom can join in. If we pass this challenge, I'll give it away to someone. I'm not keeping it for me. So, yeah.
I haven't got more room to have another one. Sorry.
Alan's already maxed out top step.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, $350. You may smash TP here. It's like a racehorse.
Renegade sauce.
I am actually looking for my own positions here as well, guys. As soon as we get some bottom weights, I'll be looking for them.
Tell them you are secretly copying YouTube tricks.
Yeah, well, I would have made some money today. Up $350.
Up, so.
Now is a good time to cut off that.
Hold. We'll do it again for the next 5 minutes. Hold, close, or go to break even. This will be for the next, not yet, be for the next 5 minutes. So I won't post it in yet. And if it hits TP, it hits TP. You could have a nice 30. You could actually have a potential morning star forming here on the 15. So if you get a strong 15 close here and a bottom wick here, you may run up much higher on gold. So what I'm actually looking for here. No, not yet. As soon as we get this closed though, I'm actually going to be looking for a boom. Look at that, YouTube fam up $400. $400 on the day. YouTube fam are crushing it today. 2 more minutes.
I'm going to join your YouTube.
Go on, get it in now. Post in the poll for the next 5 minutes. You don't have to do it yet, but close to the 5 minute close.
Bye.
That'll be the
Bye. I'm leaving the Zoom.
$400 in there.
Daniel, you talk, eh? I'm talking. It hasn't actually left me.
No. Oh.
Don't flip.
Yeah, it has no bottom wick, does it?
Yeah, it does not.
Morning stars. So morning stars at the bottom and evening at the top, man. Oh, look at that! You're finding some resistance. If you guys want to go break even, or hold, or close in a little bit of profit, $200. 100% saying hold. I think you found your trading bot. Yeah, I think so. Free money for everyone. Well, I mean, we're still, minus 400, I think, yesterday from the call. So if you guys get this one, you'll be break even on the week. You know, you may get another trade today as well. We're allowed 2 a day.
How's that the deal?
Yeah, 2 a day is fair, I think. Ooh, 70. So you got 1 minute here. 73% saying hold, 9% saying break even, 8% break even, 25% close. Yeah, well, we can close.
I think half of them are from our community.
Yeah, the ones that are saying break even are the ones that have been tuning in. I think. Look at this, 15%. You got 50 more seconds here, because on gold you haven't grabbed any previous 5 minute lows, which is just something to be wary of. But this is your guys' trade, not mine. Yeah, I'll close the poll in 40 seconds, and that'll be the decide of what we do for the next 5. Oh, it's still moving. 21% close, 21% break even. 3 famous words from Wall Street: sell, sell, sell. Well, let's see. 25 seconds. This 5's going to close. I think the majority of votes going to be saying hold again. 15 seconds. This is the last close, the 15 as well. I think you may actually survive this, you know. 4 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 57% hold, 21% break even, 21% close. So you guys called it. We're holding. You guys are holding. Instant top wick on this 15. I'm looking for a bottom wick on this 30 to take this trade.
Whoa.
Next fight, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, David. Yeah, exactly the same, man. Potential little evening star here on the 5. As long as this 5 respects previous 5, you may see a little drive lower.
If this fight closes bearish, I might look for them shorts.
Yeah.
Is it sells?
Yeah, sells.
Trading against YouTube. Trading against the YouTube fan.
I know. I might put the heating on.
I got the fan on.
Shut up. I missed it. They're telling me if you come back from the school run. Like, fuck, the heated. I had it on, man. Like a fucking penguins, beer, baby.
So this is the last week of Q3, and then we're into Q4 actually.
Good.
Yeah. September's been quite a quiet-ish month for me, I think, actually. In London session anyway. I think we had more trades in August actually. A lot of them been at weird times. So Q4 is probably one of the best quarters of the year. Sorry. Been coming off stream, yeah, almost every single time, man. Almost every single time. Like May, June, July was like almost a fucking back to back every day. August slowed down a bit as expected, and then September's been kind of similar. Like even today, the only short opportunity here today was at like 6 a.m, which I don't trade that early. But I mean, we still have an opportunity here. I'm basically looking for boom, and then boom. Next week is the start of 22. Let's go here. Yeah. Let me see. All right. You guys are still holding this trade nice. You're still up $150. We got 2 more minutes. You may not get the option for break even anymore. I've only got 1 more minute. Where's that for us? Yeah, well, if I can't end the stream until we get out this trade. So, what would be the fees on this trade? Around $25, man. $5 per contract.
Jesus.
Oh. So you're grabbing some 5-minute lows there. 15's creating a bottom wick. Hasn't grabbed any previous 15-minute highs. Do you get charged commissions on futures? Yeah, $5 per contract. So if I trade 10, it's about 50, or just over 50. As soon as we get some. You may survive it. These here are a little bit wary to me. Ooh, 67% saying close, 33% hold. So this is for the next 5 minutes. We'll see how it closes in 40 seconds. Looks like you guys are wanting to potentially cut this trade. If you guys want to, 50-50. 50% saying hold, 50% saying close. No one's saying break even. So you guys are go big or go home. Either making or losing bank today. Oh, there you go. 67% saying a hold now. This flips to TP. You guys are gonna be laughing. 71% saying hold. Ooh.
We'll be here for the next 2 hours.
I think we will be. Jesus. 5,
I'm on.
4.
I'll be on the golf course.
Nice. 2, 1. All right, hold it again. 67% said hold.
Right.
All right,
Holy cow.
you guys got it. We're holding. We're hodling.
I'm in long.
200. You are?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. $280 would have bought a few pina coladas. Yeah, absolutely.
Apparently the volume has died.
Yeah, man. 15's looking good though. Time for a smoke. Goodbye.
15 is looking good. Even 30, look at the past 330 candles. We haven't grabbed any 30
Yeah.
eyes yet.
Yeah, that's what I want to be buying into, man. I like to see more grabs. I'll be buying into that.
Load up some longs.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at this.
YouTube fam.
YouTube fam, if you break them 5-minute highs, I think you're gonna smash TP here. If you break this high here, if this high gets broken, you guys may hit TP. Let's go. Hashtag hold. It's not even my trade, and I'm stressed for you guys. I fucking hate when price action is so. I hate when price action ranges. It's the worst. So currently up $400 on this position. 5 contracts. It's the max we can take on this account. If you break them 5-minute highs, I think you may see a nice push. Which you're looking like you may do up, yeah, a nice $400. Oh no. Now yeah, 30's creating a lot of liquidity now, so I think you're gonna see a drive here. My personal long entry is gonna see if we can get it from down here. I think you're going to see these highs grabbed pretty nicely here because they never got grabbed before this push down, so I think you're going to see them grab pretty nicely. You may, if you do it now, then YouTube's going to hit TP, and I'm going to be waiting. YouTube's going to hit TP, and I'm going to take a loss. Watch.
Don't be like that. We'll probably take the same position again.
YouTube's got the fire signals today, not me.
You won't see me on Zoom, I'll be on the UK.
Two Connies at 1929.4. Oh, very nice, man. Oh yeah, lovely. Up 400, take it. Well, that's for you guys to decide. Let me post a poll. Do you wanna close now? Close or hold?
I'm after hit TP.
If you wanna close early, let it hit TP, or do we just hold it? I think you're sitting in a pretty nice place now, actually.
You can hit TP now.
Yeah, you can TP now if you want to. Yeah, if you guys say 60, if everyone agrees to hold, to close, then that'll be me closing in TP. Or if you guys want to hold to full TP, then select hold. Or you can move stop loss up. Yeah, you can move stops up as well. You go break even. Ooh, 70% saying hold. Look at that. Yeah, I think so as well, David. I think so. It's come that close to it now that you're likely going to see it spike them.
I'm pretty sure Mark's in there pressing those hold button.
Move stops up. Yeah, I personally would have stop here.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, you guys gonna smash TP? The 1-to-1, 10 ticks. Up $450. YouTube with the signals. A little bit more and we'll close full. Yeah, 64%, 67% saying hold. Some of the guys who said close are now changing their mind. I don't know if you're allowed to do that.
Alright, TP.
Yeah, you guys about to hit TP.
Double is in the chat.
Oh. You gonna hit it? Yeah, you're coming close to that resistance. I think you're gonna smash it. You guys are at 450. And no bottom wick on this current 5 on the futures chart. Oh no. Let's see. You got 33 seconds. What's the majority saying so far? 71% saying hold. Alright, you got 25 seconds. As soon as this closes, 25 seconds, that'll be the end of the poll and that'll be the votes in.
You come down a little bit more, eh?
Yeah. How is trading against YouTube? 10,
Sorry.
9,
Wait after the TP. Hit your TP and it might come down a bit more.
5, 4. Alright. We got a hold. You guys said hold, so we're holding until it hits TP. I think you got a pretty good hold there, to be honest. Little bottom wick. Yeah, we'll put in the TP.
TP's out, gone back,
No, not yet.
isn't it?
Very
You're
close.
very top on the futures in the 1 minute.
Oh, you gonna hit it? Just gotta hit the 1 for 1. Yeah, I think you're gonna spike it. As soon as that currency chart hits it. Up $500. Look at that. YouTube fam smashed that trade. I actually personally wouldn't have even taken it. Oh, there you go. Look at that. YouTube fam. Locking in $550 of the day. 1 for 1. Look at that. Beautiful. How do I share my screen?
Strategy has to change here, I think.
Yeah, I know. I actually wouldn't have taken. I was waiting for a liquidity grab.
I mean, it took like 1 hour to hit 10 pips, so nah.
Yeah, I would have been stressed.
Rohan, you definitely took that trade.
Yeah.
TP hit. You guys got some W's in the chat. You guys smashed that. Like hit. I think you hit what? Yeah, $550 on the day.
Whoa.
So you guys made back yesterday's loss pretty well. Look at that.
Even I couldn't do that.
I was actually waiting to see if we could. I thought it was actually gonna wick out these lows, and I was gonna be looking for a long. Which you may get. So you're grabbing previous 13 highs there. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
That spikes that level. I've got a level come across 1931.6.
Yeah. Oh man.
You like that, you?
I like that, me. There you go. You guys can see here.
What even is that taking?
W's. Look at that. That was very stressful. Yeah, it was very, very stressful. Like I say, it took a bit too long to hit TB. I honestly would have got. If I was in this, I would have got stopped there. So you guys held better than me. I'd have been out of break even right there, at that evening looking star formation.
I'm responsible for half of the W's in there.
Yeah, get some in there, man. $550. YouTube called the bank today. Okay, we're down 2 ticks away from stop loss. I know, man. Did you hold, David? Did you? Because you had some longs from what, down here? 20 ticks. Oh, what a catch, man! What a catch. Yeah, 2 contracts still in. Yeah, very good, man. Let's go. Look at that. YouTube getting them W's in the chat. Let's hit TP. Maybe we need to figure out a way to hold the winners as well. Maybe we'll start introducing trailing. Why have I got FOMO even though I wouldn't have taken that?
No, I'm still looking, so I can't see.
No, I was actually, like I say, if we could just grab like here or here, I was looking to see if we could snipe that. Is this a new account challenge? Yeah, this is a new account challenge where you guys on YouTube are taking the trades for me. If you guys on YouTube pass it, like I say, I'll be giving it away to someone viewing. Or someone on Zoom. You guys on Zoom just have a fair share shot as well. So the more you YouTube guys call the moves together, we're live every single day. You guys smash TP, we'll be giving this account away. I think there was like a $500 yesterday. Oh shit, sorry man. There was $500 loss yesterday, and you guys made back like $550 today. So 1 L and 1 W. What are you hitting now? Look at that, 15. Beautiful. Yeah, as a black screen, I was trying to, I don't know why I can't share my trader rate. It doesn't matter. Bro, that's awesome. I'll be here. Yeah, well, you guys get it. like I say, we'll be doing the polls. I posted the rules above. You guys on YouTube will be calling the trades. You guys pass the challenge, I'll be giving it away to someone. Or if I can't give it away, I'll give away like 2 months on Top Step or something. Oh, look at that! We should have trailed. We have to work out a way to trail. Thoughts on Pound the Family? Yeah, I was still watching it. It closed. Hourly closed pretty heavy. I personally, sorry, that's the 5. Yeah, 5. I personally would wait for a break above there to go long. Otherwise, I think it's just catching a falling knife. If you get closure back above the trend line, then possible.
I got a question for you.
Yeah, man.
Let's say
Choppy.
I mark it up. If we took this entry like on the break of this high, since we had already grabbed the Q5 of the lows here, and this one closed below.
I think so.
Can we take the break of this high?
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, because you're right. So you grab that low. So pretty much, as soon as you break this liquidity high, that was a potential play.
So that was the bullish confirmation for me. Like.
Yeah, I think so, man. Only thing is, taking it from here, your break-even point is at 7 ticks.
Yeah, risk reward might not be that good, but yeah.
The optimal entry for me here would have been if we had just whipped out these lows. You would have had a lovely long there, or even taken the break of the highs.
Look at that, it's slipping back.
Yeah, so this is a level to be careful for. So 30 has grabbed these highs, retesting this support.
Excuse me.
Yeah, but no, on Pound Harry, personally, I would wait for probably I think anywhere in this range, only because it's had such a big move at a random time, like 6 a.m. I personally would wait for a little breakout there. I think, man. Let's get it, YouTube fam. Yeah, guys, drop a little like to the stream. You guys made some bank today. We'll be back again tomorrow to do it again. And see if you guys. So we need $3,000 to pass this challenge. So that's about 6 winning trades. So we're so far break even. You took a small loss yesterday, then you took the same winner today. Trailed stops would have got stopped at break even anyway, so we were good taking where we did. And six wins, you guys will pass the challenge, and we'll give it away. Okay, wait, anyone on Zoom or YouTube? Or if I can't give the account away, I'll give away 2 months paid for on Top Step or something. Just having some fun. Well, actually no, this challenge started because when I posted me taking a 1 tick loss, we had a bunch of know-it-alls. So I said, well, come and join the stream and we'll take your trades. And obviously none of them showed up. So now it's just turned in for fun for you guys to letting my subscribers and followers trade for me. Because the clowns didn't show up. So now we just turned it into, some fun. You get a strong 5-minute closing here. I might look for a top weight to short this back down. I am still looking for my own trades here. I need a strong 5 close engulfing, and we can look for a top weight back down. Because this is like I say, if gold's going to have a big reaction from this level, it's not just going to touch this level once, so you could see it completely roll over into the lows.
And preferably in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, I would like. Let's hide this off now. You YouTube guys got the bang. I'll delete it because otherwise it'll get messed up with mine. Actually, no, I'll leave it on. I don't care. Let's leave it on. I got FOMO, so I need to review how you guys caught that trade and I didn't.
We've seen the community.
Yeah, do you guys in YouTube have a community I can join?
The course has been removed.
If this 5-minute closes below this previous low, I think we look for a top wick to drive this lower. 15 has closed pretty bullish, but there was no top wick. See, even on this, we're getting a lot of weird no top and bottom wicks. Rejecting this level.
I know. It
happened yesterday as well.
happened in the US as well.
It's weird. It's very, very weird. Beers at Fallon's Brewery tonight. Speaking of Fallon's Brewery, I've had a few people you know, in the community and just in Australia in general, talking about we're gonna talk about trying to do like a little meet up or something. You know, whether we just go for drinks and some lunch or we do a little boot camp somewhere. I think it'd be good if anyone's in you know, Brisbane or Sunshine Coast or Gold Coast area that would be keen for a meet up.
What's now?
Yeah, literally just looking at that. So you could have. So you closed. Did you close below the low? You didn't close below the low. So you did.
Yeah,
Yeah, you didn't. So it's not. So if you close below the low, it'd be more valid. I mean, it's still closed bearish, but the flip's not as. It's not as
on future,
probable now.
on futures is it entered the previous bar.
Yeah. Cool. Let me know and I can organize that. Yeah, sounds good, Drew. Yeah, we'll do that, man, for sure. Like I say, if you guys want to do like an in-person boot camp somewhere or some shit, or we just drinks, lunch, whatever, I'm down for whatever. So we'll think of something. Absolutely. Yeah, if that 5 had closed below this low, I would be more inclined to actually take this flip. Scott on there. Yeah, good man. Good man. We'll do it. We'll do it. I'll get it in the works. Get some numbers.
I'm gonna get all my mates to join the community now, and
Yeah,
we
good
can
man.
have a boot camp in there.
Yeah, it sounds good. I was actually thinking I would like to do it like a. So if I was going to come all the way to the UK, it'd probably be more of a boot camp than a meetup. I would actually like to do that. Yeah.
Oh, bother.
Oh.
Bring your raincoat.
or Europe, maybe Europe somewhere.
Well, is there any Europeans?
Yeah, there's like 2 or not a whole lot, but there's some. Yeah.
There used to be.
Yeah, someone is there from Europe.
Yeah. Come back to the amazing UK weather. Yeah, beer. Yeah, Netherlands. Yeah, there's beer and there's. I think there's 2 guys in the Netherlands. Very happy I joined Joy.
Yeah, it's turning into like an OG.
Yeah, beer's doing well.
Nathan, I think Nathan is from Switzerland.
Yeah.
Oh, what a lucky guy.
Very happy. Why not trade US 30? Trade trends way better. Not in London. It doesn't make sense to trade US equities in the London session. I still think something like the Russell moves way nicer than the Dow as well. But trade all of them. Trade whichever ones you want. Gold for me moves well enough.
Oh, look at that.
So if you're saying Dow moves better than gold, well, that was Dow in the US session yesterday. And unless you trade like an hour after the open, and then eventually move, but the Russell moved way nicer. Like placing a bet on football game, but no gameplay. Yeah, see, look at that. So you didn't have the break of the low. 5 minute didn't close below, so now you're seeing that continuation back higher. Bottom wick retest, repush and higher. For New York, for New York, I still personally, the Dow can move nice. Don't get me wrong, I think Dow still moves better than Nasdaq, but yeah, I think the Russell probably moves the best. But I personally just love gold.
With gold.
Yeah, that's interesting. What are your thoughts on gold for Asians? Seems pretty. Yeah, gold in Asia is great, man. Gold in Asia is good. Moves very well. Very simple moves, very clean moves. If you catch, like I say, I did a video on the Asian strategy. It moves very well. Heading off. See you later. Enjoy, Rocky. See you next time. Oh, look at that. Fucking how? I honestly don't think I've ever seen gold close with so many no top and bottom wicks in a very, very long time. Even on the currency chart, futures chart all the time, but currency chart, no top wick, no bottom wick. I mean, it's good if you're not taking breaks the lows and you don't get tagged in, but damn.
Yeah.
Asia for gold, yeah, gold moves very clean in Asia, very, very clean. Like this little move down today in this little range, 20 ticks, beautiful. So yeah, gold ended up grabbing all previous 30-minute highs. I don't think there was a clear opportunity to take that, especially not after that. You know, if I'd got in on the break of these highs, after that 5-minute close doji, I personally would have been out there at break even. Easy for me to say in hindsight I would have held. I know I wouldn't have. I'd be out break even right there. But YouTube made bank, so it must be nice. At least someone's making some bank. Oh, Lewis. That's a very, very clean trade. So 5-minute. See, 30 still a big resistance here. You reckon people slowly go off CFDs move to futures? Yeah, absolutely, man. I think a lot of people will. I personally see no, like, I mean, it depends what you're trading, but yeah, like I say, I wish I made the transition to futures sooner. I think a lot of people, will do the same soon. Especially, you know, with the stuff that happened with my Forex funds, I think it's opened people's a lot of eyes to what really goes on in the CFD industry. It's not just prop firms, you know, B-booking and, you know, the whole thing that happened with, I can't remember what his broker was called, Uncle Ted, and yeah, loads of dodgy shit.
What's going on with that now? Do you know?
Nah, I'm not too sure. I'm not
Has
actually
Uncle
too
Ted
sure.
killed him?
I don't know what he's up to. He's chilling somewhere. It's weird to me because Uncle Ted was a great trader, and I think he is a great trader. So I don't know what, like, I was pretty surprised when I saw them things happen. Whether it was him or some other people, I don't know. Yeah.
Sorry, mate. I'm bouncing back and forth. Sorry, bud.
That's alright, man. Need to run, take care. Oh, no worries, Drew. See you tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow.
And we'll have to head shoot soon.
Yeah, I'm not really liking this price action. Look at this Owly. Huge push down, no bottom wick, instant push back up. So yeah, nothing. I don't think it's. I think you're gonna see pushes back down into these lows, but I also think you can potentially retrace a little bit more. 5 minutes, very, very choppy here. I don't think. Oh yeah. See you tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy, Harry. See you tomorrow, man. Let's have a look at. I want to look for. I need some more price action. I want to do some higher time frame analysis on gold. Oh, does you look at the British pound futures? Yeah, very, very, very choppy. Very choppy. Choppy, but also around a pretty big support level. Very, very big support with no real retracements either. So it's bound to kind of range a little bit. I still think, you know, how long have we got? 2 more minutes. If gold is going to see like another move today, let's kind of see what we're looking at. So look at that 4 hour. It's a huge 4 hour wick. So this could be enough of a wick for the 4 hour to come and retrace back up into these levels. But you got to be careful because 5 minutes choppy, and you know, stops is going to be pretty large if you go off that low. So I would wait for more price action. I personally wait for closures above maybe this level, and then it's going to be nicer to get nice stop loss placement. But that is a pretty big 4 hour wick right at all that support. So you may see retracements into this previous high. Is going to be like 40 ticks. What would you want to see to be able to enter that? Let's have a look. So actually, no, that's quite nice actually. As long as you get 30 closure above here, I reckon it'd be good to see. Let me see. Where's the tool here? See a little continuation back up for the next half an hour, and I would set, if you get that pullback, I would set alerts down here, and this is going to be a nice level to look for reactions off, because you get the closure back above, then you got the fake out, and then you may be looking for something like pushing up into here before then, you know, pushing down into here, or just continuing to retrace. But as long as you get a nice strong 30 here, let the next 30 push up a little bit more, and then a little pullback, and yeah, looking for a continuation. But I personally would wait for it to develop a little bit more. Safest bet will be waiting for closures above there. Yeah. 15-minute investment shortage. Yeah, it looks like it was, man. Played out nicely. Played out very nice. Yeah, if you look at this one, yeah, that is nice closure above here. Yeah.
So no trades for me this morning.
Nah, neither man. Neither.
Head in.
Oh, look at that engulfing close above previous. Yeah.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Yeah, enjoy, man. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye, man. So you got the. Let me see how this daily's looking now. You also got, remember, the dailies are big daily support. Grabbing all previous daily lows. So big daily support. You know, could this potentially be the bottom wick of the day? Well, the hourly's closed bullish. You want to see hourly close up a little bit more than any little bottom wicks down into here. You'd be waiting for a push back up. I don't think you're going to see it in the next, I'll probably wait for at least the next hour of price action. So I'd come back in like an hour, see how it's developed a little bit more. It'll probably range in here for a little bit, but any bottom wicks into this level is going to be a nice level to look for retracements up. And as soon as you start closing above these levels, here and here, yeah, you could see a pretty nice drive. You're probably going to have some trendline liquidity soon as well. Or you're already creating it. Yeah. If you get so if you get some rejections from here, amazing. Be buying up into that trend line. But no trades for me. I was actually going to see if we get an active position today, but move today on gold kind of happened at like 6:15. Once we jumped on here, no top wick, instant push down. And then that 15 with no top and bottom wick is crazy. Crazy. Well, I mean, if you're just going to fucking completely run, then see you later, gold. But yeah, if you guys on Zoom, I'm going to let price develop a little more, come back in like an hour and I'll share some more levels in the Discord, but I think you need to wait for this to develop a little bit more. If you want to take a break from the charts, what I would do is I would set an alert down here, wait till the alert goes off, assess price action down there, and that's going to be the next kind of buying opportunity. And this is probably going to be the liquidity high to watch as well now, which is that double top we spoke about before, but now it's kind of looking nicer because you're teasing back around these highs. So anyone who's going to try and jump on shorts on gold is going to be looking to do something like this. So yeah, any rejections from this region, you want to be buying up into that liquidity. So if you can get pullbacks without grabbing that high, that's going to be potentially pretty nice buying opportunity. But I'll share some more levels once we get some more price action. But yeah, if you guys on Zoom, I'll catch you guys in a few hours. I'll chat to you guys in Discord. Enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you soon.
Alright, man. See you. Bye.
See you, man. See you guys. Bye. Alright, YouTube fam. Second day of the challenge of letting YouTube trade for me. You guys took a W today. You guys made $550, which is amazing. We'll be back again tomorrow. We'll do the exact same thing again. Like I say, if you guys on YouTube pass this challenge, I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys, or at least giving away 2 months free access of Top Step. So if you guys want to check out Top Step, the link is pinned to the chat. So yeah, same time again tomorrow. We'll do the exact same thing again. I'm going to take a break from the charts now, come back in the US session. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, be smart. See you next time. Peace.